Welcome back, everybody. I am here in my parents' basement back in Iowa. So that is where I have been quarantining. I hope you guys are excited to get back to learning some things at school. I'm going to start every day with a video like this. It's going to be pretty short. Today will probably be a little bit longer so that I can go through and explain a few things. But if you're already watching the video, you're off to a good start. So if we are looking at our class page, which hopefully you found if you found this video, okay, every day is going to start like this, where you click on the date and it's all going to be on one page where you can just scroll through and look at everything. Okay, and within that, we're going to have today's tasks. So there's usually going to be about 3 tasks. You're going to follow those 3 tasks in order. Once you complete those 3 tasks, you know that you've done everything for the day and you're good to go. Okay, that's all our class is requiring of you. So a few things before we get started on what is asked of you today. You can see up here in the left-hand corner, my office hours are going to be from 10 to 1. So this means that I'll be on my computer. If you have any questions at all, email me, reach out, and I'll try to get back to you as fast as I can. The more specific you can be with your question, the better, because I know it's frustrating that you guys are going to be sending a lot of emails and messages to all your teachers. So whatever your question is, I want to be able to handle it right away. So the more specific, the better. Okay. If we go back here for a second, right here it says makeup assignments. If any of you have previous absences that you are going to do the after school exercise makeup, this is now where you're going to make up those assignments. Okay, you can only do each assignment on there one time. So if you have 3 miss absences, you can only do the 5 components of fitness one time. Then you have to pick from one of the other 4. Once you have completed those, go ahead, email those to me, and then I'll get those changed in the grade book. So that is how you're going to be making up any previous absences up to the start of today. Okay, so for Monday, March 30th, which is today. Okay, I hope you guys like the gift. It took me a while to pick that one out. So today, task number 1, watch this video. Nailed it. Okay, task 2, you're going to complete this at-home workout and then fill out the questions at the bottom of the page in a discussion post. So I want to go through that because there is the workout. Okay, perfect. You found it. There's me looking great in all those GIFs. And at the bottom here, here's our workout reflection question. Okay, this is where you're going to click. You're going to answer this in 1 to 2 sentences. And that is how you're going to get 5 of your points today. Okay, every day you get 10 points. Today, those reflection questions are worth 5 of them. Okay, the other 5 points are going to be from task 3. You're going to fill out this Google Forms survey, and it's going to ask you to list all equipment you have accessible at home. Okay, so if you click on that, it's going to take you to this. You just type your name, click every box that applies, and submit. Super easy. That's how you're going to get your other 5 points. So today, watch this video, do the workout, answer the questions, and then fill out this survey, and that is all that we have today. Okay, again, if you have any questions or you're missing things, please reach out to me. Let me know. I'll try to help you the best that I can in the time that we have. But if you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.